Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today I am going to discuss exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3 question number 6. A lift in a building of height 90 feet which with transparent glass wall is descending from the top of the building. At the top of the building, the angle of depression to a fountain in the garden is 60-degree. Fountain in the sense waterfalls, right? 2 minutes later, the angle of depression reduces to 30-degree. First it is 60-degree. After that, it reduced into 30-degree. Now, if the fountain is 30 root 3 feet from the entrance of the lift, find the speed of the lift which is descending. Descending in the sense coming down, right? That you have to understand the thing first. This is your building. I'm going to represent in the diagram, right? The statement I'm going to convert into the diagram format. This is your building, right? Now you see AB is the building of height 90 feet. 90 feet. A, B, C. Now, after 2 minutes, it is descending. The lift is descending after 2 minutes. That point I am going to consider as D. From the point I am going to draw a horizontal line. The same way I am going to draw a horizontal line to A also, right? You are seeing the fountain, right? C is the position of the fountain. First, it makes an angle how much? 60-degree. So this is also 60-degree. Then after 2 minutes, again you are seeing the same thing. It makes an angle how much? 30-degree. It makes an angle 30-degree. That means what is the angle of this? 30-degree. What is children? This is 60. This alone is 30. Right? This line alone I'm going to draw once again, right? See, now this angle is 30-degree. This is 30-degree. Got it, children? This is your E, the line, horizontal line AE. Here it is F. See here AE and BC are parallel. AC act as a transversal. That's why EAC equal to 60-degree. Then ACB equal to 60-degree alternate interior angles. Right. The same way FDC equal to 30-degree. DCB equal to 30-degree. Here also the same. DF and BC are parallel. CD act as a transversal. Alternate interior angles are equal. The statement I convert into the diagram. That's it. Afterwards, the solution part is easy. First, you should understand the question. You convert into the diagram. Once if your diagram is exactly correct, the rest of the things are easy to solve. Right? Now, solution. Let AB. Right? Let AB be the height of the building. 1 minute. AB be the height of the building. AB be the building. AB be the building of height. They given us 90 feet. 90 feet. Got it, children? Next, AD is the distance. AD is the distance. What? Descending. That means the lift is coming down. The lift is coming down. That is the meaning. Distance descending. Descending by the lift. Descending by the lift. Lift in how many minutes? 2 minutes. It is given in your question, right? Now, already I discussed AE and BC are parallel. That's why the angles are equal. Which angles are equal? That you have to write first. Angle EAC equal to angle ACB equal to 60 degree. Angle FDC equal to angle DCB equal to 30 degree. After 2 minutes, the angle is reduced from 60 to 30. That is given to you, right? In triangle, in right triangle DCB, tan 30 degree equal to DB divided by BC. DB divided by what? BC. BC they given as the distance between in the question what it is given, you see the fountain is 30√3 feet from the entrance of the lift. From the entrance of the lift. So the distance between B and C is 30√3 feet. 30√3 feet is given to you, right? Now, what is tan 30 degree? You know the value of tan 30 degree. So, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 equal to dB divided by 30 root 3. Root 3 cancel. Then what is your dB? dB equal to 30 feet. dB equal to 30 feet. Right? 1 feet equal to, you should know the measurement. 1 feet equal to 30.5 centimeter. 30.48. Right? Exact means. Now we converted into decimal. That is 30.48. I wrote it as 30.5, which is equal to 0.305 meter. 1 feet equal to how much centimeter? 30.5 centimeter. Right. Now, AD equal to, what is AD? AD equal to AB minus BB. AB minus BB. You know what is AB? 90. Then you got the result DB as 30, which is equal to 60 feet. Which is equal to 60 feet. Distance covered. Distance covered. You are going to express in terms of meter. Right? Distance covered. Distance covered equal to 60 into 30, sorry, 0 point, right? 0.05 meter. You are going to convert into meter. Right? Now, time taken, how many? They said 2 minutes. Right? Time taken is 2 minutes. Time taken equal to 2 minutes. That I am going to convert into seconds. What can I do? I should multiply by 60. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 2 minutes means 2 into 60. Speed of the lift. They are expecting speed of the lift. Speed of the lift equal to distance divided by time. What is my distance? 60 into 0.305 divided by 2 into 60. 60, 60 cancel. Here it becomes meter per second. Meter per second. Now I am going to divide 0.305 divided by 2. Right? Which is equal to 0.305 divided by 2 meter per second, which is equivalent to 0.152 then 5 meter per second. Meter per second. Now this is meter per second. If you want in feet, that also I am going to do, right? Speed of the lift. Speed of the lift equal to 0.15 meter per second. If you want the answer in terms of feet, that I am going to do it in feet also, right? Or speed of the limit equal to the same formula, distance divided by time. Distance 60 feet divided by 2 into 60, right? Feet per second. 60 divided by 2 into 60 feet per second. 60, 60 cancel, then which is equal to 1 by 2 feet per second. That can be written as 0.5 feet per second. The first one I represented in meter per second. The R then I represented in feet per second, FT, right? You have to use the letter FT, feet per second. Got it, children? Once again, I am going to explain. You have to listen carefully. See, AB is the building, right? AB is the building. The lift is descending after 2 minutes. That point I consider as D. AD is the distance descending by the lift in 2 minutes. That means coming down. Now, EA and BC are parallel. Alternate interior angles are equal. DF and BC are parallel. Again, alternate interior angles are equal. That's why I mentioned EAC equal to ACB, FDC equal to DCB. Then I took a triangle DCB, right triangle, right angle B equal to 90 degree. Tan 30 degree equal to, because I need the speed of the lift, tan 30 degree equal to dB divided by BC. 1 by root 3 equal to dB divided by 30 root 3. That is given distance, right? In the question it is given as the fountain is 30 root 3 feet from the entrance of the lift. So entrance of the lift is B, right? From B to C, 30 root 3 feet. So dB equal to 30 feet. AD equal to AB minus DB, which is equal to 60 feet. 1 feet equal to 30.5 centimeter or 0.305 meter. Now the distance equal to 60 into the feet I converted into meter. Time taken they mentioned as 2 minutes, that I converted into 6 seconds, right? Now speed of the lift equal to distance divided by time. 60 into 0.305 divided by 2 into 60 meter per second. I got the answer as 0.1525 meter per second. Then after the decimal 2 digit I restricted, so I wrote 0.15 meter per second. Or speed of the limit, if you want to express in feet per second, this is your answer. E by T, distance divided by T, 60 feet divided by 2 into 60 seconds. That is 1 by 2 feet per second. 0.5 feet per second. Got it, children? Speed of the limit. Sorry, speed of the lift. Speed of the lift. Meter per second means this is your answer. Feet per second means this is your answer. I hope you people understood, right? Have you all understood, children? Yeah. Thank you, children.